It's a moment 3 decades in the making for John Davidson, who has been a tireless advocate for Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy since his son Jesse was diagnosed with the disease in the early 90s.
This is what we wanted all along, when we set out to try to make a difference in the lives of all those boys with Duchenne. And I think Jesse would be pretty proud of what's happened today.
For families facing the debilitating rare genetic disorder, hope has been hard to come by until now.
I've often wondered, what did I say to him at that?
Health Canada has approved a drug called Agamree or vamorolone, the first and only therapy cleared for the treatment of Duchenne in children aged 4 and up. Jesse's journey, now known as Defeat Duchenne Canada, has raised millions for research, and it was their landmark $1 million research grant that helped launch the clinical trial for Agamree.
This is a drug that was developed with Duchenne muscular dystrophy in mind, even though it shares a lot of similarities with traditional steroids. And the hope, and what we've seen in the evidence from vamorolone, is that we can get the same effect on the motor improvements, on how it helps the strength of boys with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, but it reduces some of those really problematic side effects.
The new drug may slow the progression of DMD, a disease that affects 1 in 5,000 boys, though its cost to Canadian patients remains unclear.
There's a lot of hope on the horizon with genetic-based therapies and even gene therapies that are coming to the forefront for Duchenne.
For John Davidson, the drug's approval is another powerful chapter in a story of advocacy, determination, and hope.
If he were here today, he would probably say, well, it's about time. Then he would say, this is great news.
Reta Ismail, CTV News.